Okay, I'm on the Azur stand in the Rubber Street with Frank Kramer. Frank?
Hello together. What should I say more?
Frank, you are under a new brand now. You are with Pyrum. Tell us a little bit.
Yes, I'm now working with Pyrum. I'm trying to improve also, let me say, the technology as well. A little bit more, finding more application for the RCB. As everybody know, I don't like RCB. It's more or less active filler, but it's not a carbon black. And yeah, that's it. I left. Let me explain it like that way as well. A little bit. I left Boulder, not due to the company. It was family related. I have old parents, and so I have now time a little bit more to spend more time with my family, and that was one of the reasons. So it's not company. I only wanted to explain it.
So, and you have some samples to show and some news. What are the news from Pyrum Innovations?
Not really news. Let me say, as you know, that we are starting now with the new, I call it finishing line, they call it milling and pelletizing line. Which one is at the moment the biggest in Europe, maybe the biggest worldwide, I don't know. At the moment it's running well. We have some smaller issues, but at the moment we're expecting mid of this month it should be completely running. So what we have new, this is new, we changed the name of our product. So we don't want to talk about RCB, so we call it, for example, the first one which known as raw carbon, we call it TCU, sorry, thermal carbon untreated. So after that we call it thermal carbon milled. Yeah, when it's going to the milling process.
So TCM then?
TCM, right. And for the RCB we will have in future TTB, which is called then thermal tire. Tire black. So that's the reason what we changed, because
but you know, we're working so hard in ASM, we still don't have the specifications, and now you're changing the name. Why is that?
You always mention it. An RCB is not an RCB, is not an RCB. And I think I'm writing also white papers and something like that, and when I put in RCB, people thinking they can use my recipe, for example coatings, what I'm doing, or plastic, master batch, they can use it for each RCB, and that's not possible. You have then to change something. Maybe you have to change the additive or what else. That's the reason why I think everybody needs it, and I think the really successful people in the RCB business already have their own name.
The thing is, recovered carbon black is not only recovered carbon black, right? It is recovered carbon black plus all the inorganic additives that are in the tire, plus some organic residues, hopefully not volatile, but surely some solid carbonaceous residues.
That's also what we try to change. At the moment everybody's taking a look how to use it in a tire, for example, only, and they're only taking a look in the carbon side inside. But maybe our product works in mud or fit in mud in other application much more, and we can maybe also take a look where's, for example, in coating, the silica or zinc sulfide is not of interest. When I put it in it's not a problem. When I put it in a cement, the silica inside could improve their process. They're putting at the moment a lot of carbon black inside, but it's better to have the zinc sulfide or zinc oxide in a cement. And I think this is what I'm doing at the moment, so more product development.
One of the most exciting applications I heard, not for recovered carbon black, but carbon black, conductive carbon black, is now there's research going on making batteries in cement. So making your house walls store the energy from your solar power.
Yes. It's also something, let me say, where I will take a look in. At the moment it's not easy to talk about it, but as you know, yes, it's also going on research on that. And it's not only on the cement or beton side, it's also for standard. For example, to make from a carbon more graphene. And that's used as a separator or what else. And it's possible to use there. And in some applications, the inorganics improving this. So yeah, let's see. I think at the moment it's a very interesting time. I think now all other RCB producer, we need to start and build the plants and not only talking about it.
It surely is an exciting time for RCB. With everybody building, everybody growing. Would you say this is the year for RCB?
It must be. If not, I think it did not work anymore because the investors want to see results. Huh? I'm sorry.
Exactly. Thank you, Frank.
Yeah, you're
Thank
welcome.
You.
Thank